Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you always all doing and better feelings. I say something about myself. Actually, my name is Sajjad Hussain. I am from Kumila, but currently I live in Dhaka. But I am a student. I am from at Bangladesh University, but currently joined English Fantasy. Uh, Almost 6 days ago, I joined English Fantasy. I like to traveling. Always, I like traveling. Then this is my mentally prepare and my future plan. I go to abroad. Next goal, I'll score well. Thank you so much. Then watching my video. Thank you so much.